students, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to start our topic, that is addition subtraction. So let's see what we are having and what kind of numbers we are going to add and subtract and what kind of word problems we are going to solve here. So let's see what we are having. So if we talk about the topics, we are having addition without carrying and addition with carrying, properties of addition, problems on addition, subtraction with borrowing, subtraction with borrowing, then problems on subtraction. So now move to our next part. What we are having, so here we are having an image and here we are having some questions related to the addition. So now we are having a topic, that is addition without carrying. You have to simply add the numbers, and in that case you have two numbers or three numbers. When you add these numbers, you have a single digit answer as a sum. So let's see what we are having next. So here we are having a note. So first thing is, each number to be added is called addendum. Okay, so we are adding these two numbers, so these are addendums. Then the total result of addition is said to be the sum. So whenever we are having our answer, then that is our sum, and the addition is carried out column wise from column of ones, tens, etc. So if we are adding these numbers, so we are going to start from ones place, then tens place, then 100 place, 1000 place, then 10,000 place, and so on. Clear? So we proceed from right to left. So you have seen we are going to add from right to left. Okay, here we are having our exercise, that is 2A. So the first thing, we are having question number 1, find the sum of the following. Okay, so we are going to add these numbers just like 6 plus 2, 8, 5 plus 1, 6, 4 plus 3, 7, 5 plus 2 is again 7, 6 plus 0 is 6, and 8 is as it is. Okay. Now pick question number C. Here we are having three numbers, so we are going to add 5 plus 1, this is 6. Now we have to add the third number, 6 plus 0 is 6. Here, 6 plus 0 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 0, again 5, and 3 plus 5, this is 8. Clear? So this is the method of solving these numbers in addition form. Okay, here we are having some question again for addition, that is question number 2. Arrange the following numbers in columns and add them. Okay, let's pick question number 2C part. So we are going to do is, we have to just arrange them in column order and then add them. Clear? So first we are going to write the number just like 1, 0, 3 and 5, 0, 3. And we are going to write the places also, ones, tens, 100, then 1000, then 10,000, and then lakh. So here we are having, that is 56,010, and here we are having 7,40,225. So we are going to add it. Let's see what we are having, that is 5 plus 3, this is 8, 2 plus 1 is 3, 5 plus 2 is 7, 6 plus 3 is 9, and 5 plus 4 again 9, and 7 plus 1, this is 8. So we are having the answer is, after adding these three numbers, 8,99,738. Clear? Okay. Now come to our next part. That is addition with carrying. Okay, so in addition with carrying, there is a little change. When we add two numbers or three numbers, we have two digit number. So at that time we have to carry the 10 place part to the next number. See, okay, let's see what we are having here. So addition is done column wise, starting with the column of ones. if the sum of digit in the column is more than 9, or we can say that two-digit number, the sum consists of two digits and the first digit of one's place in the column and the second digit is carried over to the next column on the left and added along with the digits of this column. And adding column wise is in this manner we get the required sum. Okay, let's see some questions. Now we are having exercise 2b. Let's pick question number 1, A part. Come here, that is 3 plus 7 is 10. So we are having two-digit number. So one place will be written here and 10th place will be carried forward to the next place. So 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 9 is 15. Again we are having two-digit number. So we are writing here the ones place and 10th place again carried over. So here we are having 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 1, 10. Again we are having 10, 10 we are having 0 and carried 1. So here we are having 5 to z 5 plus 2, 10 and 1 carrying 11. This is 1 and this is our 10. Clear? Okay. Now let's pick one more question, that is question number E. So here we are having ones place 6 plus 1, that is 7 plus 5, that is 12. 12 is 2. Come here. Then again 7, 8, 9, 10 plus 5, 15. 15. So 5 will be written here and 1 will be carried over. So here we are having, this is 6 to 12 plus 8, 20 plus 1, 21. So here we are in 21. 1 should be here and 2 should be carried forward. So here we are having 4 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 5, 15. Then carry 1. So 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9, 10. There's 0 here and carried 1. There's 10 and 3, 13 and 1, 40. So we are going to solve these questions in this manner. Okay, come to our next part. Arrange the following numbers in columns. Okay. That is, let's pick question number 2C part. So we are going to arrange them first. Just like 7, 9, 0, 7, 8. Okay. So here we have to write the places first, ones, tens, 100, 1000. So here we are having 10,000 place, so we are going to write 81,000. Okay, and then we are having 7, 4, 7, 4. Next we are having 13,546. Then we are having 3,205. Just add them. Okay, let's pick 6 plus 4, this is 10, plus 5, 15, 15 plus 7, then we are having 22. So one place should be written here and this tens place 2 is carried forward. So here we are having 7 plus 4, 11, 12, 13, 3, carry 1, this is 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 9, 19, 20, 21, this is 2, again carry. So here we are having 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16, 6, carried 1. So 8 plus 1, 9, 10. So this is 10. So in same way, you have to add the numbers. You can write it in the starting and when you make a good command, then you can do directly. Okay, next is question number 3, A part. So in this question number 3, A part, we are having some puzzle type questions. Let's see what we are having here. That is 9 plus 1, 10 and we put 2 here. This is 12, carry 1. This is 6 plus 6 is 12, 0, carry 1. This is 8 plus 4. This is 8 and 9. This is 17, carry 1. 3, 4, 5. 5 and 3, 8. and this is 4 plus 2 is 6. So we are having the answers here. Next is question number 4. Find the sum of the following. So we have to do the B part. Okay, let's add them first. This is 73 thousands. Okay. Then 62 thousands. Okay. Then 15 tenths. That is 150. So now we are going to add them. This is 0, 5, 1. This is 5 and this is 13. Clear? Okay, next we are having question number 5. What is the number? So let's pick question number 5B part. So we are having 6003 more than 71,462. So we are going to find out that more part number. So we have to add these two numbers. Clear? So when the question is asking about the more than, so we are going to add. If this question asks about less than, then we will going to subtract. So here we are in 71,462 and here we are having 6,103. If we are going to add, then this 3 plus 2 is 5, this is 6 and this is 5, this is 7 and this is 7. Clear? That is 77,565. Okay, what is the number? Let's come to the next part. Okay, now we are having properties of addition. So let's see what we are going to look here about the properties. The property 1, the two given numbers may be added in any order. The sum remains same. And this property of addition known as the commutative property. See, if we add 35,215 and 71,358 and we change their sequence in this part, but we are having the same answer. In changing order, in addition part, no answer is changed. Come to our next part. That is find the sum by grouping them in different order. Okay. Next is property 3. So property 3 says when 0 is added to any number, the sum is the number itself. Okay. We are going to add 0 in this number. We have the same answer. Now going to solve the exercise 2C. So here we are having, so look, in question number 1A part, we are having two numbers. The one number is as it is here. So we are going to write second number here. Because in interchanging their places, the sum is always same. If we add 0 in any number, then we will have the same answer, just like this. And after that, we are going to solve F part. And here we are having three numbers, just like 1, 2, and this is left. So we are going to write this here, because in grouping method, we can make a group of any numbers. So we are going to have the same answer by changing the groups. Clear? So next is problems on addition. Just like you have to just only find out the language what the question says. Okay. Okay, let's pick question number 4 to understand what type of questions we are having here. So let's see. Here is question number 4. Ashu earned 65,755,995, 75,616,996 and 82,015,997. How much did he earn in these 3 years? Okay, we are going to write the statement first, then we will solve it. So here says that how much he earned in all these 3 years. So we can find out the answer by adding them. So we are going to start the statement, that is earnings in 1995. That is rupees 65,775. Next we are having earnings in 1996. We are having rupees 75,660. Okay, next we are having earnings in 1997. So we are having 82,750. Right. Now we have to find out the earnings in these 3 years. So we are going to write earnings in 3 years is that is 5, this is 8, carry 1, then 2, then 4 more, carry 1, 22. So here we are having 2,24,185. Clear? Okay, now we are going to choose our next topic. Okay, next topic we are having, that is subtraction. Subtraction without borrowings. Okay, so we are going to solve our next topic, that is subtraction without borrowing. So now we are going to subtract numbers and see what we are having. So some questions we are having. Okay, now we will have our exercise 2E. So let's pick question number 1, that is subtract and verify your answer. Okay, let's pick this one. So we are going, okay. So we are going to solve this part, that is 1's part, 10's, 100,000 this. Okay, we have to subtract 7 minus 3. So we are having 4 here, 4 minus 2 again 2, 1 minus 1 is 0, and 3 minus 0 is 3, 6 minus 5 is 1. So this is the subtraction part. Now we have to check it. So we are going to checking part here. So what we have to do in checking parts, we have to add these two numbers and our answer will become to this number. So we are going to do is 5, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 3, 0, 2, 4. We are going to add these two numbers, then we will have this largest number as the sum. So 3 plus 4 is 7, 2 plus 2 is 4, 1, 3 and 5 plus 1 is 6. So our answer is same. Then we had done the subtraction part correct. If this answer is not same, then our subtraction is wrong. So now move to the next part. Now we are having question number 2, arrange in column and find the difference. Okay, let's pick question number 2A part. So we are going to find out the difference. This is our larger number and this is our smaller number. So first we are going to write the larger number first, and secondly we are going to write our smaller number. Okay, now we are having 1 minus 0 is 1, 3 minus 1, again we are having 2, 8 minus 5 we are having 3. So we are having 4 minus 2 is 2, 7 minus 6 is 1 and 5 minus 1 is 4. Clear? Okay, now we had done our difference. So come to our next topic, that is subtraction with borrowing. Sometimes we have two numbers in which we are going to subtract smaller number from larger number, but at some places we have to subtract from smaller number to larger number. See, this is 93,765 and this is 75,684. This is a larger number, this is a smaller number. If we look at the place ones, 5 minus 4 is possible, 6 minus 8 not possible. In this case, we have to carry from the next place. So here we are having 100 place, we are having 7 and we have taken 1 from here and pass it to the 10th place, it changes into 10. So that 10 plus 6 will become 16. Okay, so this borrowing method work in this way. So after that, we will have our exercise 2F. Let's solve question number 1 and verify your answer. Okay, let's pick A part. Okay, now we are going to subtract these numbers. So 7 minus 8 not possible. So we have to carry 1 from here. So we are having 5 and here we are having 10 from here and 7 is already here. So we are going to add these two numbers. So at one place we are having 17 at place of 7. So 17 minus 8 we are having 9. 5 minus 6 again not possible. We will carry 1 from here. So here we are having 4 and here we are having 15. So 15 minus 6 is again 9 and here we are having 4 minus 4 is 0, 7 minus 2 is 5 and 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, this is our subtraction part. Now we have to do checking part. We know how to check our subtraction. We have to add last two numbers and the answer will be this greater number. So I am going to write these numbers here and this is our difference. We have to add these two numbers, the smaller one and the difference, then we will get the larger number. So here we are having 9 plus 8, 17, carry 1, this is 16, carry 1, this is 5, then 7 and then 4. Okay, we are having the same answer, that means we have done a subtraction part right. Okay, next is question number 2, arrange in column and subtract. Okay, now come to question number 2. We have to arrange in column and add. So when we are going to subtract the numbers and we have from. So first we have to write this number which is written at the second place or after from. So we are having 48,749 and here we are having 27,658. If we are going to subtract these two numbers, we are having 9 minus 8 is 1, 4 minus 5 not possible, so we have to take carry from here. So here we are having 14 instead of 4. 14 minus 5 is 9, 6 minus 6 is 0, 8 minus 7 is 1 and 4 minus 2 is 2. Clear? So this is the subtraction part. Next, we are having question number 3, find the difference between. So you have to subtract these two numbers, you can do it by your own. So now come to question number 4, find the difference. Let's pick question number 4A part. Okay, here we are having 4,000 and 400s. Okay, so if we talk about this, 4,000 means 4,000. And if we have to subtract 400, that means 400 in a number. So now we are going to subtract these two numbers. So we are having 0, 0 and we have to carry here, this is 3 and this is 10. 10 minus 4 is 6 and this is 3. So here we are having 3,000s. And 600s. Clear? So this is our answer. Okay, next we are having find the number. Okay, we are having one 70,674 less than 72,300. Okay, in previous topic we have seen same type of question, but we are having more. So we have to add them. So here we are having less than, so we have to subtract these two numbers to find out the less than part. So here we are having 72,300 and here we are having 1674. Clear? Okay. Now we have to subtract these two numbers. This is 2, this is 10. Okay, again 9, this is 10. So 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 7 is 2, 2 minus not possible 1, and this is 12. 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6 is again 6. Here 1 minus 1 is 0 and this is 7. So we are having 70,626 less than this number by this. Now we are having problem on subtraction. So again we are going to understand the concept of these word problems. So let's pick question number 4. So here we are having the population of a village in is 98,034. If the number of males is this, find the number of females. Okay, if we have a population, so we are having two types of category, that is male and female. If we add them, then we are having total population. So we are having total population, and if we are going to subtract the male number, then we will find out the female number. Clear? So we are going to do the same thing here. The first thing, we have to write the statement just like population in a village, that is 98,034. Then after that we are having number of males. Now we are having number of males is that is 54,625. Then after that we have to find out the number of females. So now we are going to find out the number of females. To find out the number of females, we have to subtract these two numbers. Just like here we are having 2 and here we are having 14. Minus 5 is 9, this is 0. We have to carry, here we are having 10 minus 6 is 4. 7 minus 4 is 3, 9 minus 5 is 4. So we are having number of females is 43,409. Clear? Now move to our next part. Okay, so our topic is finished. So students, thank you so much for listening us carefully. Now you all have to practice all the questions and see you in next video. Till then, all the best.